Today is Saturday, March 24th. This is the 1970 Cadillac horn set, front grille brace bars, and original letter O for the Cadillac Eldorado. This is the original vintage 1970 Cadillac Eldorado set. It comprises the two front brace bars for the front grille, measuring 12 inches and 16 inches, upper and lower brace bars. It includes the original Cadillac Eldorado letter O. This is the beveled letter O as opposed to the flat, specific to 1970 only, with the two prongs for Paul Marcotti in New Birth, Pennsylvania, and the four-piece horn set comprising the high, D, E, and trumpet. So I've gone ahead and I have a battery here, so I'll go ahead and connect it to power, do a functional validation test for Paul. And I've just done a little ground flat here in the bottom. There it is, right there. Trumpet horn. Now we'll do the D, the E, and the high, which is deafening. Okay, so that's the D, E, and high in trumpet horn functional validation test. And this video is for Paul Marcotti in Narberth, Pennsylvania. And as soon as I get Paul's okay to ship reply confirmation, this will be going out immediately. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillac Eldorado and over 200,000 parts for 1967 to 1976 Cadillacs. I'm also well known for the original wood grain steering wheel restorations that I do, and the steering columns as well. Thank you very kindly.